are being very vigilant about Omicron and the possibility of it coming to the state of Meghalaya. And we are taking precautions. All the protocols which have been in place, they are being enforced. And we are also monitoring the entry points for those people who are coming into the state, so that any kind of spread from visitors can be avoided. And at the same time, we are also going on a vaccination drive in a renewed with a renewed vigor, to ensure that we increase our vaccine cover, not just for single doses but for both the doses. And we hope that Omicron will not have that kind of an impact in Meghalaya, but yet we are preparing for any kind of scenario that may emerge. See, it's too early to comment on that. Depending on the situation as it unfolds, we as a government will take a call on that. Yes, most of them are ready, and those which are not, we are expediting that.